Here we will write a Python program to check entered string is palindrome or not using function. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define function palindrome check with one parameter. To check whether string is palindrome or not, first we will reverse the string and store it in another variable. So reverse equal to, here we will use join method and reversed method. So we will use join reversed and the string name, that is str1, and then we will check str1 equal to reverse. If it is true, we will print string is palindrome. Else we will print string is not palindrome. Then outside the function we will accept the string from the user. So s equal to input enter string to check, and we will call the function. Here we will change it as check. So palindrome check, and we will pass s as a parameter. Then we will save this and we will execute this. It will ask to enter the string. I will give ABC. It will print string is not palindrome. Again I will execute this and I will give the string as ABA. It will print string is palindrome. Here we have used the reversed function to reverse the string, and we will store the reverse string to reverse variable using join method.